Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, the example is given in set theory. First one, is the set A x such that x is equal to 2n minus 1. X is mentioned here 2n minus 1, n less than 3, n belongs to m. Is a empty set or not? Question mark. Question. This is given example. Okay. Given solution, given x is 2n minus 1, x nothing but number of elements present in the set A, and strictly mentioned n is less than 3, n less than 3, and n belongs to n belongs to capital N. This capital N represent natural numbers, and we know that natural numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive numbers. Correct? Means n is equal to, we can take 1, 2, strictly less than 3, means consider how many number of elements? Only 2 elements. Therefore substitute here, if n is 1, what is the element? X is 2, n is 1, we will get 2 minus 1 is 1. If n is 2, then x is 2, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, we will get 3. Means number of elements present in the set A. Here, the element present in set A is 1, 3. See, the set A contains elements, means it is not a empty set. Question mark it is mentioned. Verify, is it set empty or not? It is not a empty set. Right? It is not a empty set. Okay? Understood? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2n minus 1 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. n less than 3, n belongs to n ಈಸ್ ಎ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲೋ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಎದುರ್ರಿ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 2n minus 1 ಅಂದಾರ. ಮತ್ತು n ಅಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲವಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಮತ್ತು n ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ n ಅದಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? 1 ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಹೌದಾ? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಎರಡೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಅಷ್ಟ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ ರೀ? ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ n ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, n ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2, n ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? 1, 2 ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1, 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಈಸ್ 1. n is 2, x 2 into 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1 we get 3. Correct? Means the set A is 1, 3. Set A contains 1, 3 elements. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಅದಲ್ಲ 1 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇದು ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಯಾವ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಎಂಪ್ಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ is x is equal to 3n plus 1, n is 0, 1, 2 mentioned. Next set B is x is equal to n plus 1, n is 0, 1, 2, 3. Calculate A intersection B. Means very first step is calculate the set A elements, set B elements. Later onwards you can take a common element between A and B. For that we will apply x is what? 3n plus 1 and mentioned n is 0, 1, 2. Correct. Substitute here. 3 into 0 plus 1 will get 1. 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 into 2 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Therefore, the element present in set A is 1, 4, 7. The element present in set A is 1, 4, 7. Next, set B. X is 2n plus 1. Correct? Next up, n is 0, 1, 2, 3. Substitute. 2 into 0 plus 1, we get 1. 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. 2 2 into 3 plus 1, 7. Correct. 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. N is 0, 1. N is 1, 2 plus 1, 3. N is 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. Therefore, set B is what? 1, 3, 5, 7. See, in set A and set B, tell me the common elements. Set A and set B, tell me the common elements. See, 1 is the common element in both the sets. Therefore, we can take 1. Next, 7 is there here. Here also 7. Therefore, 1 and 7 is the common element between the set A and set B. This way, we can calculate the example. Okay. Next. See, next mentioned example solution. Given that n of x union y, given that n of x union y is 50 elements, n of x is 28 elements, n of y is 32 elements. Okay, find n of x intersection y. Calculate n of x intersection y. Such type of examples are asked in the exam for 2 marks question. Okay, very simple example. Already we know the formula of n of a union b. What is the formula? N of a union b is n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Already I explained this. Instead of a and b, here given x and y. Okay, means we know that the formula n of x union y, you can write n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection. Okay, next see, n of x union y, how many number of elements are there? 50. N of x 28, next 32, n of y minus n of x intersection y. And here this is 60 minus n of x intersection y. We take left hand side, we get plus, and plus 50 will take the right hand side, minus, we get n of x intersection y. The common element is how many number of elements are present? 10 elements. In this way we can calculate. Next example. Next example is given that n of x is 17, n of x is 17, n of y is 23, n of x union y is 38. Find n of x intersection y. Find n of x intersection y. Exactly same what we have done the previous example. Okay, only numbers are changes. n of x union y, how many number of elements are there? 38. Because we know the formula, that formula we have to substitute here. N of x 17 and this is 23 minus n of x intersection y. Means n of x intersection y 40 minus 38. 40 minus 38 means what? N of x intersection y. There is a common element between set x and y is 2 elements. Okay. Next example. Next example is mentioned if S and T, S and T are two sets such that S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, S intersection T has 11 elements. How many elements does S union T have? S union T have how many elements? Okay. Solution. S and T are two sets. Instead of x and y here given S and T. S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements. Means given n of S is 21 and T has 32 elements. Means n of T 32 elements. Next, S intersection T common elements. N of S intersection T. How many number of elements? 11 elements. Then calculate S union T. Means calculate N of S union T is what? Question mark. Okay. Therefore, solution we have the formula N of S union T is N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T. Instead of x and y we here given S and T. 21 plus 32 minus 11. We get how many number of elements? 42 elements. Okay. See, nodri input are S matte T ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ x ಮತ್ತು y ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ s ಮತ್ತು t ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. s ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ 21 ಅಂದ್ರೆ n of s represent number of elements present in set S. ಹೌದಾ. Number of elements present in set S 21 elements. Number of elements present in T 32 elements. Common element ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ S intersection T 11 elements. ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂದಾರ S union T. ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ n of S union T ಅಂದ್ರೆ n of S n of T minus n of S intersection T. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 42 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Next example. In a school, there are 30 teachers. In a school, there are 30 teachers who teaches mathematics or physics. Teaches mathematics or physics. Of these 14 teach mathematics and 6 teach both physics and maths. Okay, in a school there are 30 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Of these 14 teach mathematics and 6 teach both physics and mathematics. And mention how many teachers teach physics. This is the question. Okay. In a school, how many number of teachers are? 30 teachers. In that 30 teachers, he or she teach mathematics or physics. Of these, 14 teach mathematics, 6 teach physics and maths. How many teachers teach physics? This is the question. Okay, solution. Better you take mathematics represent M, physics represent P. Correct. Given here N of M union P. There are how many number of teachers are there? 30 teachers. 30 teachers teach either maths or physics. Means altogether M union P, 30 teachers. And maths teachers N of M, 14 teachers. Next, common both maths and physics. Common teachers 6 and only calculation of physics teachers. Okay, and we have the formula N of M union P is N of M plus N of P minus N of M intersection. Okay, means N of M union P 30, 14, correct. N of P minus 6. Next, 30 minus 14 plus 6 is N of P. Okay, therefore N of P, number of teachers who teaches physics, is 22. In this way we can calculate. Okay, nodri one school aga 30 teachers idaranta ಆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಆಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಪಿ 30. ಎಮ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಪಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ? ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 14 teach mathematics ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಟೀಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 14. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಎಷ್ಟಾದಾರ? 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಿ 6. ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಪಿ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ 22 teachers who teach mathematics. Next question, I will give homework. In a group of, otherwise I will do, in a group of 70 people, in a group of 70 people, 37 likes coffee, 52 likes tea, and each person like at least one of the two kinds. Find how many people like both tea and coffee. Okay, this is the one example solution. Okay, in a group of 70 people, okay, 37 like coffee. How many number of people like? 37. 52 like tea. How many number of people like tea? 50. And each person like at least one of the two kinds. Means the total, either they will like tea or coffee. Tea, C union T. Given. How many number of people are there? 7. Find how many people like both tea and coffee. Means C intersection T is how many members are there. You have to calculate. And formula is there. N of C union T is N of C, N of T minus N of C intersection T. Instead of A, B here, we represent C represent coffee, T represent tea. Okay. C union T given 70 is 37 plus 52 minus N of C intersection T, or N of C intersection T is 37 plus 52 minus 70. Correct. That is how many number of people say? 19 people. Therefore, common people like both tea and coffee is how many? 90. Okay. Understood? Nodri, 70 people adara. 70 people ಒಳಗೆ 37 like coffee. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರಿ? 37. ಟೀ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು? 52. And each person like at least one of the two kinds. ಈ 70 people ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಟೀ ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಫಿ ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂರಿಯನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. N C union T 70. ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೋತ್ ಟೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಫಿ. ಟೀ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಫಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋರು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಬೋತ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಬೋತ್ ಟೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋರು ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, in this way we can do the so many examples. Thank you.